Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Friday, February 2, 2024. Jamaicans will go to the polls on Monday, February 26, for the 2024 local government elections. Thursday, February 8 is nomination day for the polls, which will be contested in 228 electoral divisions. Minister of Local Government and Community Development, Desmond McKenzie, made the announcement yesterday. During the polls, councillors and mayors are elected to develop, manage and maintain infrastructure and public facilities island-wide. Local government elections were last held in 2016 with the Jamaica Labour Party winning control of a majority of the municipal corporations. Since then, the elections, which are constitutionally due every 4 years, have been postponed on 3 occasions since November 2020 amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Work is to begin as early as April on one of several major water supply projects coming on stream for communities in Western Hanover. Minister with responsibility for water, Senator Matthew Samuda, gave an update on the projects as he toured Western and Eastern Hanover last Wednesday. He explained that the $700 million pipeline to be installed from Racines to Negril was close to commencement.
We will start work on that pipeline in the coming fiscal year. That will be a 2 to 3 year project because it involves tanks, it involves additional pumps, etc. But the piping work will start in the new fiscal year, which commences in April.
In addition, the community of Kew will benefit from a $20 million project. The 75 horsepower pump that's now serving residents will be upgraded to a 150 horsepower pump.
In essence, this $20 million Jamaican dollar investment will benefit in excess of 4,000 households. We are very happy about that. It obviously will significantly increase the reliability and the capacity of the system to ensure that our citizens in and around this area benefit and get the water that they desperately need and deserve.
Billions of dollars in media value have already been generated and is still increasing for the island from the Jamaican premiere of the Bob Marley One Love movie held at Carib 5 on January 23. President of the Jamaica Promotions Corporation, JAMPRO, Shalette Cox, gave that report as she addressed this week's official launch of the $1 billion Jamaica Screen Development Initiative.
Within the first 12 hours of the premiere, based on numbers that I've seen, the premiere generated over £1 million in media value in the UK. And in the first 24 hours, 1.9 billion in the US. That's with the first 24 hours. We didn't measure or haven't measured yet what happened after London premiere, and the Hollywood premiere hasn't happened yet. That's just the tip of the iceberg.
JAMPRO's president says a lot of that is going to translate into people wanting to visit the country and the places where the stories are told. Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Olivia Grange, has hailed the film, which will be open to the public globally on February 14, as a reminder of the power in telling the stories of the Jamaican people.
Jamaicans everywhere watch proudly as the premiere unfolded, even now looking forward to its global public opening on February 14. The premiere of Bob Marley One Love is a testament to the value of investing in the creative sector.
Bob Marley One Love is a biopic of the late reggae legend Robert Nesta Marley and was filmed, in part, in Jamaica. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, will be refurbishing 105 buses on a phased basis as part of interventions to boost its fleet and reduce commuter wait time. Those to be repaired include 25 Golden Dragons, 30 articulated units, and 50 Volvo buses. Transport Minister Darrell Vaz says the first 20 Golden Dragon buses will be refurbished between April and December of this year, with the rest to be completed by May 2025. He explains that the cost to refurbish the buses will be about 30 to 40% of the value of new units.
The highest bus being the Volvo bus at a cost of $300,000. The other two buses, the bus types, are $200,000. So if you can get 105 refurbished buses, and by refurbished, I'm talking about refurbished from the factory, from the manufacturer. Persons from the factory coming here and redoing both the interior and the exterior and the engine. That, Mr. Speaker, will go a far way.
As previously announced, government is also in the process of procuring 300 new buses for the JUTC over the next 3 years. 100 of those are expected to arrive this summer, just before the new school year. And finally, the JUTC has launched a pilot program to test a comprehensive fleet management system that will enable real-time bus control and monitoring. Transport Minister Darrell Vaz made the announcement in Parliament this week. He says the system will offer essential information about the location of vehicles, adherence to the route, upkeep, timetables, fuel usage, and driver performance.
The objective is to improve the operational efficiency of the system by optimizing resource allocation, thereby enhancing the quality of the service provided, even as we seek to increase the number of units available to move the traveling public.
Minister Vaz outlined other plans to make the commute easier and safer for passengers.
Another feature now being pursued is the development of a user-friendly mobile application to allow commuters to access real-time information about bus routes, estimated arrival times, and any service disruptions.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.